Good morning, students. This is your SST period, and in this period, we will go through chapter 1, that is globe. I will talk about it. I will explain you what is the importance of globe, for what it is used, and other things. So, globe, it is a small model of the earth. You know now that globe, it is a small model of the earth. It is in the shape of the earth only. It is like a ball, and when we turn it around, we see the other half of the globe. Only half of the portion we see it, and then when we turn it around, the other half we can see. And globes are sometimes very bulky. It is heavy to carry on, and sometimes many small pocket globes are also used. But in that pocket globes and all that, we cannot see the details of cities and states and districts and all. So for that, maps are very important. It is more useful than a globe. But to know the exact shape, size, we use the globe, so that we know that how the earth will be, because we are inside the earth. So from the outside, how the earth looks, you can see the globe and you can know it. So let's get started. From that, I will explain you some part of it today, and then we will go through it every day about the chapter. Okay, so let's get started. And students, you will make your, if you have your book, it is okay. I will you can go through the video also, and also from the book also, and you will make your copies also. You will buy the copies, and you will make a copy, interleaf copy, one side plain copy and other line one. For the SST diagrams and all, you will use the plain portion, and for the question answers and exercises, question answers you will do in the copy only, and exercises you will do in the book only. Okay, so you will do the exercises in the book. You can use your pen also, or pencil, dark pencil you will use for the answer filling. That we will do it afterwards. First, I will explain you the chapter. So let's get started. So students, this is chapter 1, globe. We will go through the shape of the earth. Now, early men believed. What did the early men thought? The early men thought that the earth is flat in shape. They did not know that earth is spherical or it is round. They thought it is flat in shape, and if one will go, the sailors never ventured till the coast. They did not go to the end. When the sailor used to sail in the ship, they did not go to the end, because they thought that if we will go through the end, they will fall down. They thought that that is the edge, that is the end, and they will fall down because it is flat. They thought that the earth is flat. Now explorers and astronauts have confirmed that the earth is spherical in shape. But because of the explorers, they have sailed from one side, and they have gone and then come to the same place. So they know that the earth is round in shape. So they have confirmed it that the earth is spherical in shape. Now students, what is a globe? So it is a man-made model of the earth. What is a globe? It is a man-made model of the earth. Globes are of various types and sizes. It is not like only one size or one type. It comes in various types and sizes. Big ones which cannot be carried easily, small pocket globes, and globes like balloons also, that you can blow it and then you can take out the air also, which can be inflated and are very handy. Now we can see only half the globe at a time. You know now that only half of the portion of the globe you can see it at one time. To see the other half, we have to turn it around. A line passing through it. We have to just turn it. That is the axis. We have to turn the globe to see the other half. This line is called an axis. This is an imaginary line. Okay. Now students, we can see the correct shape, position and location of all the continents and oceans on the globe. We can see all. We can see that how much shape is India, how much shape is Australia or Pakistan, anything. And location of all the continents and oceans also on the globe. We can even look at for the countries also on the globe. We can know all it. but it is only that we cannot see it clearly. It is very minutely drawn and written. Now the one at the top of the globe, if the globe is called the North Pole, while the one at the bottom is called the South Pole. If you have the student books of SST, you can go through the globe and you can see that on the top it is always North Pole and on the bottom it is South Pole. Now a globe is a model of the earth that we know. Now on the globe, the earth is divided into two equal halves called hemisphere. The globe is divided into two equal halves. So the upper hemisphere is called the northern hemisphere because it is the North Pole. So the upper hemisphere is called the northern hemisphere, while the lower hemisphere is called the southern hemisphere because it is the South Pole. So they are both equal halves. So students, today we will go through this much only, this part only. Then tomorrow we will go further with the chapter. So today you will just go through the video and what I have explained you, so you can learn it by heart, that what is you can go through it, that what is a globe and what is its advantages and what is the shape and how what types of things you can see in the globe and what types and sizes are found in the globe, that you can go through it. Okay, and I have already told you that you will buy the books from the school book stall, and in the copy you will make that interleaf copy which you had made in the 4th class also. That type of copy you will make, one plain side and one lining one, and then whatever question answers I will give you when the chapter is complete, then you will get the exercises and question answers. So exercises, what are you going to do? Exercises you are going to do in the book only, SST book only, and question answers you will do in the copy, and you will show it to me in the group so that I can check it. Okay, so now today the only thing you have to do is you will go through the net or anything, or if you have the book you will go through the globe and show me in the rough copy how you make a globe, so that you can easily know how to make a globe and what parts are there, North Pole, South Pole, Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, that you can make it and show it to me in a rough copy. You can make it now. Okay, so today this much only, then afterwards we will go through other part of this chapter, globe. Okay, thank you.